The 2026 Thor Four Winds continues to build on its reputation as one of the most practical and family-friendly Class C motorhomes on the market. Designed for travelers who want the comfort of home while exploring new destinations, it combines modern styling, functional living space, and dependable performance. Its refreshed exterior gives the motorhome a clean and premium appearance that stands out on highways and campgrounds alike. The front profile features a bold automotive-inspired grille, sleek LED headlights, and a streamlined over-cab sleeping section. The updated body graphics and aerodynamic shape not only improve its appearance but also help reduce wind resistance during long highway journeys. Every detail has been designed with durability and convenience in mind. Built on a reliable Ford E-Series or Chevrolet chassis depending on the configuration, the 2026 Thor Four Winds delivers strong road performance. The powerful V8 engine provides smooth acceleration, impressive towing capability, and dependable reliability whether driving through cities, mountains, or open highways. Driving the Four Winds feels surprisingly comfortable for a motorhome of its size. Responsive steering, improved suspension tuning, and advanced driver assistance features make long-distance travel less tiring. The large windshield and wide mirrors provide excellent visibility and confidence on the road. Inside, the spacious cabin creates a welcoming atmosphere with modern finishes and practical design. Bright LED lighting, attractive cabinetry, and durable flooring give the interior a fresh, upscale feel while remaining easy to maintain after long adventures. The living area is thoughtfully arranged for relaxation. Comfortable seating, a versatile dinette, and optional theater recliners provide plenty of space for family gatherings, meals, or simply enjoying the view after a day of travel. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything needed for life on the road. A large refrigerator, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven, stainless steel sink, and generous countertop space make cooking enjoyable whether preparing quick snacks or full family dinners. Storage is another strength of the 2026 Thor Four Winds. Multiple cabinets, overhead compartments, wardrobes, and exterior cargo bays provide enough room for clothing, camping equipment, kitchen supplies, and travel essentials without feeling cluttered. Sleeping accommodations are designed to maximize comfort. The over-cab bunk offers a spacious sleeping area, while the rear bedroom features a comfortable queen-size bed with overhead cabinets and side wardrobes. Convertible seating expands the sleeping capacity for larger families. The bathroom offers a practical layout with a residential-style shower, toilet, vanity, medicine cabinet, and adequate storage for toiletries. Good ventilation and quality fixtures help maintain comfort during extended trips. Entertainment features include a large smart TV, premium audio system, USB charging ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional exterior entertainment equipment for relaxing evenings at the campsite. These modern technologies keep everyone connected and entertained. Climate control remains effective throughout every season. A powerful roof-mounted air conditioner, efficient furnace, and improved insulation help maintain comfortable interior temperatures whether traveling in summer heat or cooler climates. Safety has received welcome attention with features such as stability control, anti-lock brakes, rear-view camera, tire pressure monitoring, and available blind spot assistance. These systems enhance driver confidence during daily travel and long-distance touring. The electrical system supports extended camping with efficient batteries, a reliable generator, solar prep, and multiple power outlets. Optional solar panels allow travelers to spend more time off-grid while powering essential appliances. Exterior conveniences include a large powered awning with LED lighting, exterior storage compartments, outdoor shower, easy access utility connections, and durable construction that stands up well to frequent travel and changing weather conditions. Fuel efficiency is competitive for a Class C motorhome. While its size naturally requires more fuel than smaller RVs, the improved powertrain and aerodynamic refinements help deliver respectable economy during highway cruising. Families will appreciate the thoughtful floor plans available in the 2026 lineup. Multiple layouts allow buyers to choose the configuration that best matches their travel style, whether prioritizing extra sleeping space, larger kitchens, or expanded living areas. Maintenance is relatively straightforward thanks to the widely available service network for its chassis and accessible mechanical components. This makes ownership more convenient for travelers who frequently cover long distances. Overall build quality continues to improve, with better materials, stronger construction, and enhanced attention to detail throughout the interior and exterior. The combination of comfort, reliability, and practical design makes the Four Winds a dependable choice for both weekend getaways and extended road trips. Overall, the 2026 Thor Four Winds remains one of the strongest values in the Class C motorhome segment. It successfully balances comfort, performance, versatility, and affordability, making it an excellent option for families, couples, and first-time RV owners seeking memorable adventures with the convenience of a well-equipped home on wheels.